Howdy y'all, welcome to Dad's Garage Workshop. My name is Marvin Cornwell. Today I'll be opening up this Benchtop Table Saw. Here we go. Open this thing from the bottom. Don't mind my cat over here. My garage cat. Keeps me company. Alright. Sometimes it makes getting tools, big items out, a lot easier. Lift the styrofoam, Rick. Okay. Now we can open up the top. First thing to fall out was our manual. Need that. Take off the top piece. Now we can lift up the box. Pull it in half. Getting her out of the way. Got our parts. Now I'm going to show you the front. Okay, so we got this all set up. We got our manual. We got our box of parts. Of course, you can see the front. Styrofoam. You got your rail here. What I'm going to do next is get this out of the styrofoam. I'll do a little trick. For a table saw, it's pretty light. Again, it's from the local box store. Okay. So we're going to start out by opening up this box and see what kind of goodies it's got in it, because, you know, I'm a newbie. I think this has all the safety equipment. It does. But we got a spindle to raise and lower the blade. So I got here a miter gauge. Yeah, I know what that is. But I wanted to show you. You got a little red arrow and a knob that you can actually, what I haven't mentioned before not new. I have some experience. I'm that old enough to have experienced woodshop in my high school, which really should be brought back. First, you get your safety, get the guards, a couple wrenches, take the blades off. Okay, so a little trick I learned on your interwebs of this thing is you wanna bring it up slowly. And if you can see, there's a piece of styrofoam in here. Now me, I would just rip that sucker out. But there's another way. So what you want to do is move this all the way over, and then ta-da! But you can pull it out, pull it out. Okay, so you start by picking your wheel on here to lift up your blade. We'll fill up the said screw. So it's gonna raise and lower your blade. In order to put your safety equipment on, raise this all the way up. Start with your kickback. And it's got a little pin you pull out. And it goes right into a little hole back here. Maybe. Like so. And for your blade guard, it's got two little locks or pins here. One to lock it down, one to hold it. Put that in the back part. Just like so. Then your fence. You see. You only get about an inch. And then I can get closer. So right here is the hole. You just kind of line it up. So, for this, raise your lever up, slide this back piece into here, and then set it down. Raise and lower how you like. Alright folks, so there you have it. Like a Chicago Electric. It's a 10-inch, 15 amp. It's benchtop table saw. Pretty easy to put together. Make a great addition to my little garage workshop, especially for a beginner, or if you want something portable on the job site. FYI, remember this is just a sticker on here. So, the next step would be go get a gauge, just to kind of make sure your blade is true. Other than that, not a bad little saw for my shop. So thank you, folks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, please share.